Welcome to Fabulous, your morning routine guide.
Discover how the Fabulous app can transform your mornings. This intuitive app helps you establish routines designed for greater productivity and well-being. Whether you're trying to wake up earlier, exercise, or just start your day more mindfully, Fabulous offers step-by-step guidance and science-backed tips to set you up for success every single morning.
Getting started with the Fabulous app.
Begin by downloading the Fabulous app and creating your account. The app will guide you through a quick introduction and ask about your goals. Choose Build a Morning Routine to get tailored recommendations. Fabulous uses behavioral science to break your goals into small, achievable steps, making it easier to form healthy habits that stick.
Customizing your ideal morning routine.
Once inside the app, explore the routines pre-designed for mornings. Add or remove activities like drinking water, stretching, or journaling to match your lifestyle. Set reminders for each step and adjust the timing to fit your schedule. The flexibility of Fabulous ensures you can craft a routine that feels personal and practical.
Building habits with gentle reminders.
Fabulous excels at keeping you on track. With encouraging notifications and motivating messages, the app gently reminds you of each routine step. You can track your progress and celebrate streaks, which boosts consistency. Over time, these small wins build momentum and help turn your morning routine into a lasting habit.
Tips for staying motivated and consistent.
Stay motivated by using the app's daily challenges and guided journeys. Fabulous provides inspirational stories and educational content to help you overcome obstacles. Check your progress, reflect on your improvements, and adjust your routine as needed. With patience and persistence, you'll notice real changes in your energy, focus, and overall well-being.
Start your perfect morning routine today.
The Fabulous app offers a clear, supportive path to mastering your mornings. With personalized routines and science-backed strategies, you can build habits that last. Download Fabulous, set your goals, and take the first step towards a more productive, balanced, and joyful start to every day.